Hey everyone! Big news in the EV world today. Kosmera, a new player in the automotive scene, has just unveiled two stunning animation videos showcasing their upcoming flagship models, the Star Matrix and the Star Razer. If the name doesn't sound familiar yet, you definitely know their parent company. Kosmera is backed by Dreame, the Chinese tech giant famous for making high-end vacuum cleaners and hairdryers. Now they are pivoting from cleaning floors to tearing up the track. Let's talk technical specs because these numbers are wild. Both models are powered by quad permanent magnet synchronous motors, delivering a combined output of 2,040 horsepower. They can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.7 seconds. The cars sit on an 800-volt architecture and are equipped with a 120 kilowatt-hour semi-solid-state battery. To keep them light and fast, they use an aluminum frame with carbon fiber body panels, maintaining a weight under 2,000 kilograms and an impressive drag coefficient below 0.20. While they share the same bones, they have different souls. The Star Matrix is all about AI-driven intelligence, featuring an AI coach that projects racing lines and braking points directly onto your windshield via an AR HUD. Meanwhile, the Star Razer explores ecosystem integration with a modular trunk system designed to deploy drones or robotic companions. From vacuum cleaners to rocket ships, Kosmera is definitely a brand to watch. What do you think about these specs? Let me know in the comments.